Good old stuff. Well, let's get on the road. Right. Evo 10 by me. A lot of work done to it, a lot of love, a lot of time, a lot of money, blood, sweat and tears. It's time for it to go to its new owner where it lives on, and it hopefully takes on many different iterations and shapes. Oh, there's the police. Yeah, it wasn't speeding at all. Drive an Evo 10. At least that's how I drive it. Right, here we have for sale this wonderful Evo 10 that I've had for the last 2.5 years. Blood, sweat and tears has gone into this car, and a lot of money, a lot of time. I'm kind of reluctant to sell it, but I need to keep my license. No, I have other plans. I've got other projects now that's coming up. So this car needs to go to the next owner where you can do what you wish with it, race it, daily it, turn it into a show queen, whatever. It's pretty decent condition. It's got a full transmission, that's the SST, paddle shift, very fast. Transmission, that's a full rebuild on that. So, and the engine has had a full refresh as well. All the underside of the car has been cleaned up. There's no corrosion. It's all been repainted underneath. Subframes all painted up. Everything. The car is in very good condition. 88,000 miles, something like that. It's in really good condition. It drives really nice. Interior is pretty good, as you can see. Alcantara seats. .330 brake horsepower with that paddle shift gearbox. It just pulls really well. That's a standard stock engine. It's got some mods, just strengthening mods. So it's got ARP stud kit top and bottom. And it's got a MAP performance exhaust manifold. It's got a new turbine housing on the turbo. It's still got the stock turbo, but it pulls really good. Transmission is really strong. Everything is working perfectly. AYC is working perfectly. Got the relocated AYC pump in the boot here. So that's, if you just look in here from this angle, you can see there, that's the relocated AYC pump, and that is in very good condition. That's been serviced recently. It's got fresh oil in there as well. It's all been bled up. And engine bay, let's have a look in there. In the engine bay we do have the 4B11T standard, but it's been well looked after. We can see the MAP performance manifold hidden in the back there, and the engine has had a full rebuild, but the car is running perfectly now. It has got a interesting paint spec, and that's not a wrap, that is actually painted on there. One of the previous owners decided that he wanted to be a bit more unique with the paint scheme, and it's well painted. It's painted on the bonnet, the bumper, and the mirrors, the B-pillars, and the rear spoiler. But yeah, it's in pretty good condition. The paint work is fairly good. Maybe there's a couple of tiny little blemishes in the paint here and there, and maybe one or two very subtle dents, maybe in the door somewhere. I saw one recently, I think just here, but it's barely even noticeable. And maybe some small marks on the wheels, but everything is straight. The brakes are good. Yeah, I've got lots of paperwork with all the work that I've done. I've got lots of video documentation. I've got a YouTube channel. You can go to the YouTube channel. You're probably on there now because you're watching this video, but this is J9 Drive, and you can see the full documentary of the rebuild of this car over the last 2 years. That's all on there. So everything that's been done to this car has been documented. Well, most of what's been done to the car has been documented. There's a lot of other stuff, boring stuff that I did as well. I changed all the drop links. What else? There's so much stuff. I'll have to go through a list of the things that I did to this. It's ridiculous. So much time, effort and money has gone into this car. It's kind of crazy that I'm selling it because I've put so much into it. Why am I selling it now? That's a good question. Maybe this isn't for sale. Sorry, I'm not sure I want to sell it. No, forget this. No, it's not for sale. Bye.
Look at that. He's just gone. I hope he comes back. Yeah.
Hi, I have Lancer Evolution X. It is for sale after all. Yes, I've changed my mind. Yes, I am selling it. So don't miss this opportunity to buy a very good condition Evo X. Buy this one because I've done a lot of the work. Most of the big work, the main components like the engine and transmission, has been brought back up to a pretty good standard, and it's going to last for a long time. So yeah, you could put coilover suspension, you could put bigger brakes, bigger wheels, you could change the paint, put loads of aero stuff on it, you could put bigger turbos and bigger FMICs and all kinds of things. You can make it really, really fast. It's, but yeah, it's reliable now. That's the thing. You buy a reliable car. I put so much of myself into this car, and now it's over to you.
To me?